Cumulative total round from 1 to 4, 5. Total vote. Pu Chatonlen got 4226. P Thangtaling Sinate got 1033. Pu Ngursanglur got 5302. Pu Nota got 104. Total vote count is 10,665. Pu Haipao Haokip got 1178. Pu Paulienlal Haokip got 1965. Pu John Pulamte got 16. Pu Joshua Thak got 43. Pu MK Thang got 4. Pu Karong on Kulal got 161. Pu Nota got 13. 6th round of 58% poll again. 6th round of 58% poll. Pu Vihangkhan Lane 1006. Pu Mangchin Khop 577. Pu Thangza Lane 36. Pu Haokip got 6. Pu LM Khaute got 1402. Pu Letzamang got 14. Pu James Khuma Hausel 242. Nota 5. Total cumulative from 1 to 6 round is Pu Vihangkhan Lane got 8,297. Pu Mangchin Khop 5,591. Pu Thangza Lane 335. Pu Haokip got 68. Pu LM Khaute got 7,482. Pu Letzamang 106. Pu James Khuma got 1,563. Nota 78. Total vote count is 23,520. Thank you.
Sir, you have been elected from Tipaimu, and we are very happy to learn that you are the MLA now. So, what will be your priority?
See, there's a lot of priorities, and then we have been the constituency has been lacking in many fields. For example, we have a road problem, we have communication problems, we have institutions like schools and all those things. We have problem with that, and then medical also we have problem with that. So we actually. After 2-3 weeks, I'm going to have a meeting with some of my workers and then some of the public leaders, social philanthropic organization and all those things. Then we'll chalk it out. We'll see that how can we tackle all those problems we have been facing.
Sir, then do you think that you will be having the chance to become minister?
That's though right now I can't say because it's only few are now result is out. There are others result to be out. So I can't say right now whether we'll be in the government or I'll be I'll get the ministerial part around. That's the right now I can't say.
So what is your first impression? You have been elected. So after a gap of one term, 1 tenure, you have come back as MLA. So what is your first impression?
See, there's a lot of factors. First off, there's an incumbency factor is also there.
Yes.
And then partly there's this thing also. There's a underdevelopment in the areas. People are actually voting for me because they have new hope. No, they have a hope that if I got elected, things will be changed. There will be some improvement in all other sectors. That's why. I have a huge margin. Otherwise, it's not only the money factors this time around. There are a lot of other candidates with a lot of money, but still money doesn't go there. That's why I got elected. So people are trusting me. People are actually they are the youth, especially the youth and all those people. They are banking on me. They are banking their future on me. They are having a high hope that someday, if I got elected, things are going to change.
Yes. So how do you rate your win? Like, is it very marginal according to you?
No.
Is it up to your expectation?
Actually, this time around, it's a huge margin for me. Okay. And then the first time when I got elected, it was only 14 votes. The second time when I got elected, it was around 300 votes only. Now I got a margin around 1,000. So since the margin is big, I think I have a lot of responsibility. People are banking on me. So I have to work out very hard for the people.
Yeah. Thank you very much. But can you tell me for the last, one of your topmost priority?
See, our problems, not only my constituency, but the whole of Manipur, we have a problem. We have a problem of unemployment. That's one of our more problems. See, even in every villages, there's an employment problem. And then we have a lot of graduate this youth also. Still they are unemployed. No, even if they are some highly qualified youth, but still they got unemployed. So the foremost we are trying to tackle is that how can we solve the unemployment problem over here, over that constituency, over the Paimuk constituency. It may be in the form of a government employed, or it may be in the form of another or employment generation schemes like, see, even farm also. It's a big, these things are profitable venture nowadays. Even those people who are these things like engineers, they have shifted to farming and all those things. So we are trying to generate incomes through farms and through others ventures that we have been thinking. So right now I can't say that exactly we are going to do this and that, but that's the priority that we are setting.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, and we wish you a very successful tenure.
Okay. Wish you nothing na isanga. Masatakin. Patin ko malong thu kahilunga. Jun apani na mipuy midit saktu hai kuma. Lom thu kang lumboka. Jun he kay he wish tu ta tu majun margin lin takin he kala katlinga kalom kopela mipuya in kaya responsibility lin takan sin kang hita mipui mi mangai na lain amai no cutting high khan vote so palida min kalau sing laka vote sa thum vote ti highway lin cutting a tu ta tum rok sa sang le tin cutting ana chule jun mipui in kaya hin dit saknan le ya sumle pai tu ta tum khan election ha in a fe no mipui hai base ina kaya sang takan si chule chun ke khom hi sin thoding tam tak kanin kang hita Pathin zarin kasin thoding hai po he to puitling thai dingin pathin ko moham hian na nei kata hi chun he hi ki pharle ki ta ka lang khan hi kar ni nu hai khom ke ni kan civil society hai le adang dang le thoi tu hai le lan thung kan ta ji pa le chun ki pai mu be le he za holin im kan tho thaya mi pui ta ding in tinam ma kan lak thai ding ing hai hi mana ke ni in aramakun i harsan be dong na ai nei hai ka kangai ka tinam kan solve ding ti hai chu kan la discussion la nei ta conference kam la nei ta lan thung thlang kan ta jong chun i in sector am education am communication am water am power am i khang hai kha apoi mo kan ti hai kha kangai kha i kan te kan ma satum ding ani
vote sim zo ai tamai ka the ya yani na chimani a zo na che ke wa to kha a har ti pen kha lm michael hkl no wo de ge ka so sam mi ding na kin ta kwa mau sing wa lam amu to ta wa ke a pen kha sang ni wal se ka ya na yang ko te de kha chan som no lo ko kina oma wa ja kina to ka ko le wa ya counting ak pa thong pot ka hiwa imale to ka banga supporter teng mo nona support na teo nona vote na teo ekela nona pan pina te teng tung ki pa thu ka ge na to ka mi pi thupung na kha ko le ka pomo ka sangwa ki pa ka sa ye a decision pen kha a vote pen kha ke khu ta omlo mi pi na thupung na ya mi pi na dei penu makai na nei dun kon king ta a kon ki pa pi mama ma ban hu na lewa na dei penu makai ira igam inam mo na telu makaya here no de tel na telu makaya here why na igam inam hong phoi na dikta na lampia hontot pile chikadai mama maya maja kena mapang huna bangchina ken panla dikka kathei ke ayele ken chu he ka kipak takin lukim takin kasanga mo to ka ke ading na bangma pong na ding kathei ke ya bima wai ka aya maja kena ke igam inam phoi thei ke no te to aching ten le apu thei thamwa wai bangina itu blengim te hong tang tung sak leu chi khai dei ma mai
Samna kapan de lak som de suma jigot lai te te
lol hin nahi midang wang ka pu ke a tu chung hingli ma lol hin nahi pathina kun mo mo hi pathin ilanga panale mi min ating zo pu ti plup ka he in pathin ka thang wai
respond
God 602,
voter holo se
Vungzagin Valte, God 968,
wonderful
Lallianmang Khaute,
chungwa
38 vote,
kipana
Vungzagin 28
of
vote,
change team hi
Vungzagin 91,
gamsunga
Lamka Talk 264, Nota vote 6.
Sir, what is going to be a priority? Like you have set up a manifesto also, and
priority is to change the system, to let the system work. It is as simple as
cumulative
that.
total
We need not reinvent the
from one apan
wheel.
fault sanju.
System cho cheding bangai chi so.
Pu khan thang ton singin sang ni la jangal som ni lagi na mon.
System ahilaw lawai
Pu vi valte in
igamu hi
sang thum le za thum la som jit le li mon.
system
Pu la lun sang sung te in jangal som ko la go ma mon. Pu thang khan genin song ala
so
sagi.
now what is your reaction once you landed
Pu
your
thang
MLA?
ko te in
What is your first impression?
Pu lang khan pawin sang la jagin
Is
le
a
song ala li.
responsibility. It is
Total
not a position
nota
of
from thum la
power,
sagi.
it is a position of responsibility.
Ago ma tu jana ki
The
sim
work
to
begins
hi
now.
than lon 56 than lon a hi vote
Boka ai doi sang na je ko le ai lung se na je ko le gam le nama dinga ki pum khan na peace harmony le unity le development theina dinga kal sona ai support te zo se worker te zo se la lengon achungan ki pak thu yan no pathian ai ki thopi na zala nang victory ti tunin ka gyangu ta credit hi mi pi te zo se ka pe ka ki pa I give this victory, first of all, to the Almighty God. And secondly, I give this credit to the people of Ngursanglur Assembly constituency for supporting my vision, that is unity, peace and development in the district. And I thank them all. I thank everybody. I thank all the supporters. I thank all the people who are behind me to see through this victory. Thank you so much.
What is your priorities? Now you are MLA.
My priority will be to bring about, as I said, my vision, that is to bring about unity amongst our people,
Okay.
and to bring about peace and harmony, at the same time bring about development. Thank you.